Uh. Uh. Okay, I'm kidding.
There's still more skills to learn. Open your map to find the next world challenge.
I'm playing Lego 2K Drive, as you can see. Roof is so basically, I just killed that guy. I just killed that guy out. And I figured I'd do another Lego 2K Drive video. That's why and in this video, I'm figuring out if this game has planes. And where the garage is. No way. Practically everything was destroyed. How do I get out? What if I... What do you want? Did I ask? No. I like how I can just run over people with no hesitation. Let's go. This one is gonna... Okay. Reason. Where's the garage? Ah, here. Jeez, guys. I'm not that scared. Gee, you mean. So what am I doing? I forgot how to drift. Let's see.
Doing great.
Did I ask, Clutch? Did I ask? Can I just do this? Does this count as drifting? Okay, I'm kidding. I know that doesn't count as drifting. Y'all don't know how long I've been dreaming to show off my Lego building skills and show off my racing skills after doing hours upon hours of I'm gonna build.
I'm in the middle of my break, but I'll let Sonny know you're here.
Okay. Da 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 da. L Dragon. Tiny. I'll do this. This will be like a.
No.
I'm gonna find where that singular brick lives, and I'm gonna rob the brick for all its money. By the way, in case you're wondering, in case you don't know much about Lego and you're wondering what a brick is, it's what you build with in Lego. I just wanted to specify that. Okay. This is one of the cool little building techniques I learned from building a total of 5.5 Speed Champions sets. And why do I say 5.5? Well, actually, no, it would be 7.5. And the half is because one of my cousins built one of my ones. It was a 2-pack. How am I gonna add this one? In case you're wondering what's gonna be like right in the middle, like right here, that's where a like a engine is gonna be at. By the way, I don't know how to paint, or I know how to paint, but I don't know how to do it properly. So. Down, 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 down. Wait. Brick. What are you doing? He's just playing his hands. I don't know. Anyway. Might only do one race. Just because it's already 10 minutes and, well, currently I'm only building. Okay, we got our little... I got an idea. I'm gonna call this one the tank, because it looks like a tank. And it's gonna be built like a tank. Built different. Quite literally. Okay. Alright. Time to whip out these little boys. This thing is gonna be super cool looking, and I'm probably gonna use it non-stop. I like how it just falls off. Where'd it go? Oh. I have an idea, but I already know it's gonna be a bad idea. Clip. Is this a rat? See, I want to screw it. I'm gonna have a pet rat inside here. Can't fit him in here, dang it. Okay. I want to add that. It looks so cool. And I'm gonna add it. I want to add it to there too. You know, I think I am. Don't worry, y'all, I'm almost done. Just gotta do a couple more things. Or at least figure out how to. Like I said, half the stuff I think of and want to do, I don't even know if I can. No. No! Why do I even try? Just go away. Discard it, bro. This is rage-inducing. Ooh, what's that? Yeah, after this little mini game, I'm gonna be this videos. Okay, you know, I think I'll just end it here, honestly. Thank you for watching. Sorry you had to see me build something really cool, and then deleting it. and this whole process taking 20 minutes and whatnot. But anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, but it's fine if you don't. I mainly do this stuff for fun, so. See you later.